Hey Texas, right here. I'm bringing you another video. I have a company reach out to me, and1 Moto, on axle nut dust covers. Hey, check this video. It's really cool. And1 Moto front axle nut cover caps made from premium CNC aluminum that makes axle nut covers look great. Covers the front axle and adds a nice touch. Stylish top points details design can attract cool looks of your bike. Axle nut cover can protect your motorcycle from axle hardware from dirt, moisture, dust, and damage. Gives the front axle hardware a clean custom look. It's a quick and easy installation without any instructions. It's a hex screw design to make sure everything is tightly packaged, including the 2 front axle caps, mounting hardware, and instructions not included, so make sure you watch the video.